Hi, I'm Dr. Shusterman, the cooking doc. Now you've heard me say change your buds in my videos, but what does change your buds actually mean? It means learning to change your taste buds so they actually enjoy healthy food. But this doesn't happen quickly, it takes time. You're not gonna go from drinking 4 Cokes one day and thinking that they taste delicious to drinking only water overnight. And you're not gonna go from having an afternoon candy bar to having a handful of almonds instead, just because I said almonds are good for you or Dr. Oz says almonds are good for you. Which they are, by the way, but that can't be said for a lot of things that Dr. Oz says. You have to teach your taste buds to like healthier things, whole grains, vegetables, fruit, and that's what the cooking doc is all about. It's about teaching you to make those things actually taste good. And once you make these changes, you won't have to fight as hard against your cravings for unhealthy foods. Your cravings will actually go away over time. The even better news is that there are tons of healthy foods out there and lots of ways to prepare them. So take broccoli for example. If you don't like steamed broccoli, you can learn how to roast it with a vinaigrette, or you can learn to saute it or broil it or use it raw in a coleslaw. You can learn to do all these different things with broccoli, or if you don't like broccoli at all, you can choose something else, cauliflower or spinach. Tons of choices out there. Or maybe you're one of these French fry people, you love French fries all the time. Maybe you can learn to teach your taste buds to like things like oven roasted potatoes, a small amount of them, or an oven roasted root vegetable. That's what I'm talking about when I say change your buds. But don't expect this thing to happen overnight. This is gonna take days, weeks, months, maybe even years to get your taste buds changed. Imagine how long it took you to develop these tastes for unhealthy foods. So be patient, take time. My goal as the cooking doc is to teach you how to have lifelong healthy eating habits, not to conform to the latest fad diet. So join me for lots of delicious recipes and tips. Let's change your buds.